In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Zendesk. We'll walk through installing the integration from HubSpot, securely connecting your Zendesk account, choosing exactly what data to sync, and starting the sync so your teams can work from a single, up-to-date source of truth. Start in HubSpot and open the app marketplace. You'll find it by clicking the marketplace icon in the main navigation. This takes you to a searchable catalog of integrations that plug right into your CRM. In the search bar, type Zendesk or DataSync by HubSpot. Look for the official Zendesk DataSync listing provided by HubSpot, then open it to review the overview and requirements. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through a quick setup flow. Next, connect your Zendesk account. You'll be prompted for your Zendesk subdomain, which is the part that appears before zendesk.com in your Zendesk URL. After entering the subdomain, follow the on-screen login flow to authorize the connection. Make sure you have the right permissions in both systems and that any pop-up or script blockers are disabled so the authorization window can open. If your organization uses single sign-on in Zendesk, complete that sign-in as usual. Select the correct Zendesk instance if you manage multiple environments, such as a sandbox or regional workspace. Once the accounts are connected, review your sync settings carefully. Choose which objects you want to sync between HubSpot and Zendesk, typically contacts, companies, and tickets. Decide the sync direction that fits your workflow, whether you want two-way updates or a single source of truth. Check the default field mappings and adjust them if needed so key properties like names, emails, company domains, and ticket subjects line up correctly. If available, apply filters to limit the sync to specific segments, such as contacts with valid email addresses or active tickets. This helps you start clean and avoid clutter. It's also a good idea to confirm how duplicates will be handled and whether new records should be created when matches aren't found. When your settings look right, finish the setup and start the sync. The first pass can take some time depending on your data size, so let it run in the background. You can monitor progress from the sync dashboard in HubSpot and spot check a few records in both systems to confirm everything is flowing as expected. If you need to make adjustments, you can pause the sync, update your mappings or filters, and resume. From there, ongoing changes will keep syncing automatically, keeping HubSpot and Zendesk aligned for your team.